A hearty welcome to the family of ABT Maruti, introducing the all-new next-generation Maruti Suzuki Alto K10. One of the most affordable and comfortable small hatches in India, and it's now time to move forward and you no longer have to hold back. The new front fascia and the rear designs are amazing to look at, and this Alto is filled with wholesome features. The whole new youthful and contemporary design packed with stunning features like the honeycomb grille and the peppy headlamps make the all-new Alto a standout addition to the Maruti Suzuki range of cars. Shift into a better mode and experience a peppier drive every time with the auto gear shift technology in the all-new K10. You get to experience a zippy and efficient driving performance that delivers superior drive quality and fuel efficiency. A very effective and powerful AC along with a USB and aux input and a 12-volt power socket are added for your convenience. The all-new K10 comes with the next generation 1-liter K-series dual-jet, dual VVT engine that helps accelerate whenever and wherever you want, ensuring true joy of mobility. Do not compromise in safety with dual airbags to keep you safe, ABS with EBD and reverse parking sensors. Other features include live and spacious interiors, steering-mounted audio and voice controls, speedometer with exciting digital speed display, Smart Play Studio with smartphone navigation, first-in-segment 4 speakers. We hope you have found this video of the all-new K10 helpful. Do contact us on the following numbers for any further assistance or to take a test drive. Come and experience the all-new Alto K10 at our showrooms here at ABT, because when you think Maruti, think ABT.